there are a lot of variations of the back palm. If you just master this single slide, you get to do a lot of tricks. I'm going to show you some variations. Okay, here is a single card variation. Obviously the classic vanish, appear, vanish, appear. Then here's a small trick you can do. Take the card, pretend to put it in your pocket, and then just produce it from thin air. Obviously you don't do the commentary. And here's another very cool looking effect. Okay, you have a card, watch. Now, card vanishes. Okay, so these were the single card variations. Now let's go for the two card variations. If you master doing the back palm even with your left hand, you'll be able to do this trick. Watch, I have a card in my right hand. Okay, here's the trick. 1, 2, 3. This is in my left hand. And now, again, you can see the 10 of hearts. And I'm sure all of you are familiar with the snap change. Card changes. Okay, those were the two card variations. Now let's go with so many cards. Okay, let's use that. Okay, one good trick is you disappear the cards like this. Keep vanishing cards one after another like this. And then you can produce them in a fan like that. You can even, if you're using so many cards, produce from different places like that. You can do that. Even this is pretty cool. And obviously there's the classic multiple card production. And this is one way I usually end the tricks with. When you have one card left, do not produce it normally like this. Show the other hand is empty and rub them like you're rubbing a magic lamp. And then with the middle finger, you're putting it behind, and okay, I think you need to come to the mirror for this. Okay, you're using your middle finger, you're going to curl it in, and then so that the top touches the top portion of the card. Okay, and then you're just pushing it, and then let go of the pinky, and then just with the index finger and the middle finger you're holding it and extending it. Okay, let's go over this again. It's a normal back palm, curling in your middle finger and at the same time pushing it, so, and let go of your pinky, and then just with the index and the middle finger you're holding. So the effect is like this. When you rub it, just bam, and the card produces. So I'm sure you guys understand, just with a few techniques you get to learn so many tricks, so this is really worth it. If you do come up with more effects and more variations, you can always inbox it to me. I check my Facebook messages more than my YouTube, so please add me on Facebook. And if you have any more requests, suggestions, tips, you can always mail me. And guys, I don't have too many subscribers right now, so if you do like my magic tricks, please subscribe so that I have an incentive to perform more, because what's the point of uploading videos if there's no one to watch them, right? So that's it for now. This is Devjit Chaudhary, signing out.